Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. I've been up the shop again today. Let me show you what I've got. Right, I've got some chicken breast. Got some bacon, streaky bacon. Some soft cheese. And some herby baby potatoes. I think you know where we're going with this, don't you? Chicken wrapped in bacon with cheese. What I'm also going to do, I'm going to see if I can roast potato them, all in the air fryer. So let's get cooking. Right, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the baby potatoes, I'm going to open them up. We're going to get them in. I'm just going to chop them in half. Oh, there's the roasters. That were going to be roasters. I'm going to get a drop of oil in it. A little bit more when I'm well coated. I want salt. I want pepper. I want a drop of paprika. And we want to combine all that together. There you go. Lovely. Right, next thing we do, we get the chicken. We get it open. We want to get the chicken out. And we want to slice it in half, but not all the way through. Like a butterfly. There we go. Get your cheese next. Let's have some cream cheese in the middle. Spread it on. And this one's garlic and herb, this one is. I thought I'd try it. Fold it up. I've got no skewers or nothing, so I'm just hoping it sticks. Get the bacon. Don't be shy. Get it open. You want to get your smoky bacon wrapped around it then. I always like to start with the edge of the bacon underneath, so when you put it on, it holds it. And just wrap. Probably need 2 or 3 streaky bacon. Streaky bacon's better because it goes a bit crispier. There we go. So we've got the chicken. And we've got the roasters. Right, so I'm going to warm the air fryer up. 5 minutes. Then we'll get it in. Right, the air fryer's warmed up. What I'm going to do is get a bit of spray. I'm just going to put it on the chicken. Crisp it up a bit more, I suppose. Bit underneath. Get it in. Now I want to get the chicken on one side. I don't know how long this is going to take to cook, to be honest with you. Nice little sizzle there to start. I won't get all these potatoes in, I don't think, but we'll get some in. Oh, we might do. No, I don't want to overcrowd it. Looking nice. Looking very nice. Right, I'm going to stick it in for 25 minutes. And we'll just see what happens, I don't know. And we'll check as we go along. Right, that's been in halfway now. Let's take it out and have a look. Oh, it's coming on. Oh, looking nice. Give it a little shake. It's looking nice. I don't know how long it'll take to cook. It smells lovely. Let's get it back in for another 13 minutes. And we'll see when it's cooked. Right, that should be about ready to finish in a minute now. It's on its last minute. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. The Old Food Guy. Cheap budget food. There we go, it's just finished. Let's have a look. Moment of truth. Ooh. Oh, that's looking nice. Look at that. Are they crispy? Yes. They're looking nice. The question is the chicken cooked? Let's get it out and find out. Oh, look at all that gooey cheese, look. The roasters, I don't know that much. Problem is it cooked? So is it cooked? Is the chicken cooked? Let's have a look inside. So it's been in for 25 minutes altogether. Oh, it is. Look at that gooey cheese. Oh, look at that. Beauty. Absolute beauty. Stunning. Let's cut a little bit off. And make sure it's all cooked. Yes, perfect. Wow. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, that's so juicy. Absolutely so juicy. Try roast potato. They're nice and soft. Oh, that's hot. I think maybe they could have done with an extra 5 minutes then. They're nice though. Let's try a bit together. Stunning. That's perfect. The roasters could have done maybe another couple of minutes. As I say, the old food guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheap budget food. Let me know if there's anything you want me to cook, anything you want me to try. Till tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye.